Today I want to show you a kitchen garden that's here in Piney Point Village. It is so beautiful and full. This is a garden trio, 3 still beds all lined up. I want to show you things that can last through the heat of the summer. So we have this beautiful Thai basil. It's really taking off and it is a bee magnet. We have Clemson okra, which is ready to pick. We have this angelonia, which is one of our favorite flowers to put on the edges of beds. We have oregano here on the corner and some vinca and some beautiful sage that's doing really well. All these sweet potatoes are growing inside the bed and you can let the vines hang. Sweet potatoes are actually edible. The leaves are edible as well as the tubers. We've got some more okra here and some burgundy okra here at the back. We have angelonia, and this is a unique oregano. It's called Cuban oregano. The smell is so unique. It smells like oregano, but it's more of a succulent. All right, back here we have some more basil. This is actually our favorite African blue basil. It's so good for pollinators. Over here in this bed, we have hot weather loving plants. We have our basil here, which is so happy. We've got sage and thyme. We've got some more Cuban oregano. We've got, I think this is roselle, hibiscus roselle. This is in the okra family, also loves the heat. You can see the similarity to the okra plant. All right, back here, we've got some more flowers and herbs. We've got an eggplant coming. More bush beans. We've got some cucumbers that are just starting to climb up the trellis. You gotta be real careful with these cucumbers to make sure they stay attached. We've got cucumbers on this trellis too, some really tall okra, more vinca, some yarrow, zinnia, and let me show you this little eggplant hiding here in the shade. Super fun, ready to be picked for sure. And then on this side, we have a little bit more okra, herbs, and flowers. So I hope you enjoyed this tour. We love this kitchen garden and getting to grow with our client, Tracy. Thank you so much for watching and for bringing back the kitchen garden with us. See you next time.